How to clear chat on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the TikTok application on your device. As you launch the TikTok application, make sure you have logged into your account. Now select on the inbox application or inbox account option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you'll be able to see all the inboxes and all the chats. Now if you want to clear the chat, what you can simply do is tap on any profile over here that you have had chat with, and then simply make a long press, or you can simply just tap on three little lines at the top right corner. So here you can simply mute notifications or pin to top, but we cannot clear the chat. So we're going to go back again and make a long press over here. You can simply tap on delete. That's the only possible way to clear the chat over here. So you can tap on delete again, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.